In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Steam profile look cool in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and start sprucing up that profile to make it uniquely yours. First things first, open your Steam app. If you haven't already, make sure it's installed on your computer. Once it's up and running, look at the top right corner where you'll find the login button. Click it to proceed. Now, you'll need to enter your account name and password. Be sure to input them correctly to avoid any login issues. Once you're all set with your details, it's as easy as clicking the sign in button. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on your Steam homepage. This is your main hub for all things Steam, but today we're focusing on your profile. Move your attention to the top of the screen and click on your profile name. In the drop down menu that appears, click on View My Profile. This will take you to your personal Steam profile page. Here you get to showcase your style and personality. Look for the Edit Profile button. It's usually near the top of the screen. Clicking on this will open various options for personalizing your profile. Start with your avatar, a great way to make a first impression. Click on the avatar section and select one that resonates with you. Found one you like? Click save to confirm your choice. But wait, there's more. If you're feeling a bit more adventurous, why not explore the Steam Point shop? It's a treasure trove of avatars and profile enhancements. Head over there by clicking on the link in your profile, and if you've accumulated enough points, you can use them to buy new avatars. Once you've jazzed up your avatar, it's time to go back to your profile. Consider adding avatar frames to give your picture a polished look. Next, focus on your profile background. Click through the available options to find one that really speaks to your gaming journey. Once decided, hit save. Almost there. Don't forget your mini profile, the small but mighty part of your Steam persona. Editing your mini profile can add so much charm to interactions. Additionally, look into editing your theme. It ties everything together and can reflect your mood or style. If you feel like you've caught the customization bug, the Steam Point shop awaits you for even more options. Each tweak and adjustment is another step in making your profile a true reflection of who you are as a gamer. Remember, Steam is not just a platform, it's a community where you can express yourself. Enjoy personalizing your profile and making it stand out.